morning, dear students. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to learn the lesson Four Dragons. For the four dragons. Now we will see the lesson. Let us take your pencil and follow with me. Okay. Keep the pencil on the line and listen the instruction. Listen the story. This is the folk story from China. Read this interesting story about four dragons. Let us move. Above the eastern sea. Above the eastern sea, four dragons are playing hide and seek. Suddenly, one of them noticed something on earth. Four dragons were playing hide and seek. Four of them were playing hide and seek game. Suddenly, one of them noticed. One of the dragons was noticed here. Something on earth. Something happened on the earth. Come here quickly. One of them said, "Come here quickly." The three other dragons stopped playing. The three dragons stopped playing hide and seek playing. Stopped their playing. They looked down towards the earth. Three of them were looking down up thus towards the earth. What's up? Means what is going? What happened? Earth has dried up. People are praying for rain. Oh God, please send some rain so that our children have rice to eat. Here one of them is telling. Earth has dried up. People are praying for rain. All the people are praying for the rain, and earth is getting dried, getting withered because of no rain. Oh God, please send some rain so that our children have rice to eat. All the people are praying, oh God, please send some rain for our children not getting the rice to eat. Please help. The people are hungry. They will die if there is no rain. People are very hungry. If they are not getting food, they will die. Then they will die. So, they will die if there is no rain. Dragons are talking to each other. They are discussing about the earth life. Earth peoples. We should go to the heavenly palace and request the Jade Emperor to send rain and help the people. All the dragons decided what they have decided here. They decided to go to the heavenly palace and request the emperor. Who is the emperor there? Jade. And they will request. They are requesting to the Jade Emperor, send the rain and help the people. Send earth. Save the earth, people's life. Let us go. All the four dragons went to the emperor palace. The dragons meet the Jade Emperor. Dragons, all the four of them meet to Jade Emperor. He is not pleased to see them. He is not getting happy to see all the dragons. He is listening to the music of the fairies, and Jade Emperor was listening the music of fairies. We bring bad news from earth. Who said this sentence? The dragon said this sentence. We bring bad news from earth. The crops there are withering. Withering means getting dried and dying. We request you to send rain quickly. The dragons are requesting to the Jade Emperor. The crops are getting withering, getting dried. So send rain quickly. They are requesting to the Jade Emperor. I have heard you. Now go back. I shall send some rain by tomorrow. Emperor said to the dragons, I have heard your request. Now you can go back. I send some rain by tomorrow. I will send the rain. Who said this sentence? The Emperor Jade. Okay. Thank you, your Majesty. All the four dragons said, thank you, your Majesty. Now I am going to ask the question on the top of the topics. What did the four dragons play on the above the eastern sea? The four dragons, answer is here. I am going to tell the answer. The four dragons are playing hide and seek above the eastern sea. Next question I would like to ask here. Why did all four dragons stop to playing? Because they heard the peoples are please and request to the God, please send some rain. There all the people are praying for rain and earth is getting dried up, so the four dragons stopped to the playing hide and seek. Next question. After that, what was the four dragons plan? What did they decide to do? They decided we should have to go to the heavenly palace and request to the Jade Emperor to send rain. Okay? What did the four dragons has done? What did the four dragons decide? The four dragons decide to visit the heavenly palace and request the Jade Emperor to send rain and help the people. Next question. What was the Jade Emperor was doing in his heavenly palace? The Jade Emperor was enjoying and listening the music of the fairies. He was enjoying the music. Let us continue. 10 days have passed, the earth is still dry and the people are praying for rain. 10 days have passed and still the earth is dry, withered. All the people are praying for rain, requesting rain. Some are eating dried grass and roots. They are eating dried grass and roots. The Jade Emperor does not really care. It is up to us to help the people or they will die. The Jade Emperor does not really care. It is up to us to help the people or they will die. The Jade Emperor was not really careful about the people. It is up to us to help the people or they will die. All the dragons are talking to each other. We have to help the poor people. The Jade Emperor does not really care about the earth's. Does not care about the earth's people. Suddenly one of the dragons look out sea, and suddenly one of the dragons he saw and look out the sea. I have an idea. The dragon said, I have an idea. Let us continue. There is so much water in the sea. There is so much water in the sea. See in this picture. Let us scoop. Scoop means here, let us collect the water, pick up and move. Collect the water in their mouth and spray it toward the sky. And they spray toward the sky. The water will fall like raindrops and save the people. The water spray toward the sky. The water will fall like the raindrops and save the people's life. And this is an idea the dragons has done. Good idea. Let us go. All the dragons scoop the water and spray toward the sky. The dragons decide to bring rain to the people on earth. The dragon decide. What the dragon decide here? Bring rain to the people on earth. They have, as they have planned, they are going to do. They bring the rain to the people on earth. See in this picture, they are spraying the water towards the sky. It is raining, it is raining. All the people are saying it is raining. Next, the land is green again. Once again the land looks green. The sea god raises his head angrily, and the sea god raises his head angrily. See, this sea god is raising his head towards the, means looking at the everywhere, and he is getting angry. He then goes to speak to the Jade Emperor. The sea god goes to speak to the Jade Emperor and tell him what the dragons have done. He gave the message about the dragons, what they have done. The disobedient dragons took water from my sea. They have sent rain to the people. Disobedient dragons have collected the waters and they sent rain to the people. How dare they bring rain to earth without my permission? I will teach them a lesson. The king, the emperor Jair said, how dare they bring rain to earth without my permission? I will teach them a lesson. This sentence said the emperor. The Jade Emperor said to the sea god, how they dare to bring the water and teach and give the rain towards the people without my permission. So he decided, I will teach them a lesson. The four dragons are brought to the palace in chains, and they are scared. The four dragons are brought to the palace in chains. There means here the four dragons getting arrested here. So all are getting scared here. See in this picture. These dragons are very kind. Imprison them under the huge mountains. Their punishment will be to lay trap on the earth for the rest of their lives. Now the king Jade has given to them punishment. He is telling all of them have to keep in the prison under the huge mountains. This is the punishment will be lay trap on earth on the rest of their lives. They can spend their life in the huge mountain. They can spend their lives under the huge mountains. Although they are punished, the dragons are happy. Although they are punished, still the dragons are happy. They want to be useful to the people on earth. Still they are happy because they are thinking they want to be useful of someone. They want to useful to the people on the earth. So they were happy although they are getting punished. See the next line. So the four dragons turned themselves into rivers so that they could keep the land green and fertile and continue to help the people on the earth for the rest of their lives. So end of the lesson, the four dragons turned themselves into rivers so that they could keep the land green and fertile. The four dragon has helped to the peoples so that the land become green and fertile and continue to help the people on the earth for the rest of their lives. These four dragons are very kind and helpful. Those are helping the poor people on the earth. They are facing many more problems without rain. Now they are happy. All the people are happy and enjoying their life with their children. This is a folk tale as taken from China. So I would suggest everyone read this lesson 2 or 3 times. It will better to understand.